So, mae'r cwrs wedi datblygu fy hyder yn bendant, a bod yn onest. Cyn y cwrs, do'n i ddim yn gallu siarad Cymraeg, a dwi'n dod o Loegr, felly dwi ddim, es i ddim i'r ysgol yng Nghymru. A nawr dwi'n teimlo'n mor hyderus i defnyddio fy Gymraeg yn yr ysgol ac gyda ffrindiau, a mae'n hyfryd, yeah. For an Englishman, it feels actually very natural. I don't feel like an Englishman anymore, I feel like a Welshman. Once upon a time, I tweeted something saying, if I wasn't born in Wales, but I consider myself Welsh, can I call myself Welsh? And the overwhelming response from the Welsh community was absolutely, welcome aboard. And so it feels like being here is being at home.